Today we are going to a place far beyond anything you have ever seen. A place so distant and extreme that no human body can ever truly reach it. We are not going there physically, but we can go there through consciousness. And this is possible because a part of you has already been there. The atoms that make your body, carbon, oxygen, iron, were not created on Earth. They were born in stars and scattered across space, forming vast cosmic clouds known as nebulae. So this journey is not just exploration, it is a return. Now we begin to move slowly, very slowly, and at first nothing seems to change, but then you realize we are leaving Earth. The planet where you were born slowly shrinks behind you. Oceans, mountains, cities, everything fades into a tiny blue dot in darkness. We pass the moon, a silent world covered in dust and craters with no air and no sound, just stillness. We continue forward into the inner solar system where Mars appears, a cold red desert world with massive volcanoes and deep valleys. Then we reach the asteroid belt, millions of rocky fragments orbiting the sun, some as small as dust and others as large as mountains, and we move carefully through them deeper into space. Now we enter the outer solar system where Jupiter appears, a giant gas world so massive that more than 1,000 Earths could fit inside it, with storms that have been raging for centuries. We move past Saturn surrounded by glowing rings of ice and rock, then Uranus tilted strangely on its side, and Neptune deep blue with supersonic winds. And then everything changes because there are no more planets, no more familiar worlds, and we are now at the edge of the solar system. The sun behind us is no longer a giant star but just a small point of light, and ahead of us there is only darkness, endless and silent space. But we continue because something begins to appear far ahead, a faint glow at first almost invisible, but slowly it grows stronger and colors begin to form, red, blue, purple, spreading across space like flowing light. This is a nebula, a massive cosmic cloud of gas and dust floating between stars and stretching across light years, and this is where stars are born. We enter the nebula slowly and inside there is no ground, no direction, only floating matter suspended in space. Gas and dust drift silently around you, and even though it looks dense it is actually almost empty, with only a few particles in every cubic centimeter. But across vast distances this matter becomes powerful. You see red regions glowing from hydrogen gas energized by radiation, blue areas where light scatters from nearby stars, and dark filaments which are dense dust lanes blocking light behind them. This is physics in motion where gravity, radiation, and magnetic fields shape everything. Now something begins to change because the gas is moving very slowly at first, but it is moving inward, and gravity has started its silent work. Some regions become slightly denser than others, and that small difference changes everything because more matter gets pulled in, gravity becomes stronger, and even more matter collapses inward. A chain reaction begins and collapse starts. Temperature rises, particles collide more often, energy builds, and pressure increases. And then suddenly light appears and a new star is born. Inside its core hydrogen begins to fuse into helium, releasing enormous energy in the form of light and heat, and around it a rotating disk forms where dust becomes rocks, rocks become planetesimals, and planetesimals become planets. And somewhere in this system a small rocky world forms, Earth. It cools down, oceans appear, and chemistry begins. Simple molecules become complex structures, and after billions of years life begins. From single cells to complex organisms, from instinct to awareness, and finally you, a conscious being capable of understanding the universe that created you. Now understand this truth: the atoms in your body are ancient, carbon from stars, oxygen from stellar explosions, iron from supernovae. These atoms traveled across space, became part of nebulae, formed stars, formed planets, and eventually became you. You are not separate from the universe, You are made of it. And when you look at the night sky, you are looking at your origin, your story, because you have always been a part of the nebula.